Ano gagawin mo pag 50-50 na ang anak mo? Tapos ang sasabihin sa'yo ng ospital, wala kang pera? One flick, 1 minute, let's talk about John Q. Kwento ito ng isang regular na tatay. Tahimik lang, simpleng namumuhay. Pero isang araw, nanonood lang siya ng baseball game ng anak niya nang bigla itong bumagsak. Diagnosis, heart failure. Kailangan ng transplant, pero milyon ang halaga. Lumapit sila sa ospital, pero insurance, denied. Savings, ubos. They begged, they pleaded, pero ang sagot lang, we can't help you. So the father did the unthinkable. Imagine what is it. Sinugod niya ang ER, kinuha niya yung mga tao, tinutukan niya ng baril yung sistema. Sabi pa niya, I'm not a killer, I'm just a father. Walang lalabas, walang aalis, hanggat di nila naooperahan yung anak niya. In a world where money decides who lives and who dies, pero isang ama ang humadlang. I'm not going to bury my son. My son's going to bury me. Solid ng sinabi. Action, suspense, and a father's love that goes beyond the law. This is the movie for you. That was John Q in a minute. Like and follow for more quick flicks.